Sir, on budget lang po, sir.
Yes.
Maybe have your reaction dun sa final lang po na challenge before the Supreme Court, the former ES Vic Rodriguez. What do you think of this, sir? Unconstitutional daw yung daan.
Well, that I've read some of the filing, the complaint. Well, the Solzhen, of course, will be the ones who will argue for the government. He tells me, Solzhen Maynard tells me that we are on a solid footing in terms of constitutionality. I don't know why they bothered to file that, because napakahirap ng kanilang assertion. It clearly doesn't. Well, anyway, it's not for me to make the argument. We'll let the Solzhen make the argument before the Supreme Court, and we're very confident that our case is strong.
Pero just in case lang, sir, na pumabor, not in favor of the admin, yung decision ng Supreme Court, meron po ba tayong contingency?
No, we shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So yung matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilization na ginagawa.
Si Pangulong Marcos Jr. ang nagutos nito. Abay, mananagot siya sapagkat impeachable ground ang kanyang ginawa, sapagkat pinagtaksilan niya ang sumpang ginawa niya bilang presidente ng bansa na pangalagaan at ipagtanggol ang interes ng bansa at ng ating kasarilan. Pag isinuko mo kasi ang isang Pilipino batay sa isang mandamiento de arresto ng isang dayuhan na wala naman jurisdiction, isinusuko mo ang kasarilan at territorial integrity ng bansa. At yan ay culpable violation of the Constitution. Ito lang pag-deprive mo ng mga abogado. Kaya yung sinasabi ni Presidente Duterte, 2 linggo na nakakaraan, na mukhang tayo ay patungo sa diktadorya. Ano bang patungo? Eto na yon. Nandito na tayo. Ang nangyari kay PRRD ay isang politika. Ito yung tungkol sa 2028 elections. Kailangan siraan nila si Presidente Duterte at si VP Sara upang silang dalawa ay mawala sa political horizon sa 2020.